So these are the supplies you're going to use to make your Cartesian diver. The first thing you need to do is take this pipette with the nut on it and get it so that it just barely floats in the water. So I'm going to change the angle of the video. So you have this big beaker full of water. You essentially want to suck up enough water that this barely floats. So right now, it sank all the way to the bottom. So I need to let some of the water out. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of it out. Try again. Still not floating. Squeeze a little more out. Oh, got a little closer there. Okay, it's still sinking. Okay, so now it's floating, but as you can kind of see, it's floating above the water. So I'm going to try sucking up a little bit more. Okay, that's better. So you want it so that it's floating just barely in the water. Okay, so now you need this bottle. You need to fill it up completely with water. You can use the water in this if you want, or the water in the sink, whatever's easier for you. So fill up your bottle. You need to fill it all the way to the top. You don't want any air inside. Okay, so I filled that up, and then what I need to do with my Cartesian diver is I need to draw a line to show where the water level is with my Sharpie. So when I hold it upright, I'm going to draw that line. Okay. So now I got a line to show where the water level is when my Cartesian diver is floating. So I'm going to put it in here. My water overflows a little bit. That's okay. I'm going to put the lid on. Okay, so you can see my diver is floating at the top. Ooh. And you'll notice you can see the line showing where the water level is inside the diver. And when you do the experiment, you're going to be squeezing the bottle, and what you need to pay attention to is how the amount of air inside the diver changes. Okay, and you can use the black line as a reference point.